gentlemen, we're just moments away from getting the first day of the Joint Base McGuire-Dix-Lakehurst Power in the Pines Air Show underway. Got some aircraft already taken to the skies, and we are just again moments away from the beginning ceremonies. We do want to remind you, coming up in about eight minutes from now, the Hell on Wheels BMX demonstration will get underway. C-17s had completed 23 hurricane relief missions. Supporting these efforts were 9 Hurricane Bravo alert crews, all of which launched from the 305th Air Mobility Wing and the 514th Air Mobility Wing. Additionally, an air crew from the 6 AS volunteered to recruit and support hurricane relief after the AMC TE flare test. They were supporting completed early. Our Capstone Bravo crew from the 305th also launched ISO hurricane relief. Additionally, our aerial port squadron had processed 5 C-17 chocks, including 60 passenger and cargo equipment from New Jersey Task Force Special Operations State Police and New Jersey Task Force Emergency Management Services, all delivered to St. Croix from the 1st to the 3rd of October. Again, it's amazing to think how everything that goes on out here day after day. Joint Base McGuire-Dix-Lakehurst is home to approximately 52,000 people. That includes military members, civilian employees, contractors, military families, and personnel, and multiple training courses on the installation. As Jeremy mentioned earlier, the base was crucial for the 2017 hurricane relief support for Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria. They supported relief efforts by deploying personnel and assets to affected areas, from conducting water resources, airlifting and humanitarian supplies, or reopening airfields in Puerto Rico, and the base has played a vital role. The KC-135 Stratotanker provides the core air refueling capability for the United States Air Force and has excelled in this role for more than 50 years with over 400 aircraft. This unique asset enhances the Air Force's ability to accomplish its primary mission of global reach. It also provides aero refueling support for Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, and Allied Nations aircraft. The KC-135 is also capable of transporting litter and ambulatory patients using patient support pallets during aeromedical evacuations. A cargo deck above the refueling system can hold a maximum load of passengers and cargo, depending on fuel storage configuration. The KC-135 can carry up to 83,000 pounds of cargo. Piloting today's KC-135 is Aircraft Commander Mike Jewell and Major Dan Fielder. Their boom operator is Master Sergeant Chris Howe. Inbound is the KC-10. KC-10 from the 2nd Air Refueling Squadron and the 32nd Air Refueling Squadron, the KC-10 Extender. The 2nd Air Refueling Squadron was formed in 1915, making it the oldest air refueling squadron in the United States Air Force. In 2017, the 2nd ARS flew 175 worldwide missions, offloading more than 15.3 million pounds of fuel, transported 3.1 million pounds of cargo, and nearly 2,000 passengers. KC-10 being piloted today by Major Adam Mishka from Buffalo, New York, and Captain Ben Goliath from Buffalo, New York, and Captain John Geis from Houston, Texas. Flight engineers are Master Sergeant Brad Fall from Swarthmore, Pennsylvania. Inbound, the C-17 Globemaster III. The C-17 Globemaster III is the newest, most flexible cargo aircraft to enter the airlift force. The C-17 is capable of rapid strategic delivery of troops of all types of cargo to main operating bases to direct forward bases in the deployment areas. The aircraft can perform technical airlifts and airdrop missions and can also transport litters and ambulatory patients during aeromedical evacuations. At the controls of the C-17 today, piloting is Captain Chris Stevens from San Antonio, Texas, Captain Josh Reeder from Memphis, Tennessee, and Major James Salazar from San Antonio, Texas. The loadmaster is Technical Sergeant Andy Klein from Statesville, North Carolina. This flight crew has a combined of over 10,000 hours. C-17 today, flown by members of the 6th Air